Hey babes, okay, so I just want to do this with you real quick. I want to show you a few things on my news feed. When I look at this, I see kind of like connecting the dots, okay? So I'm not going to read you the whole thing, but just listen. NASA's Hubble Space Telescope spots exclusive giant black hole 50,000 times the mass of the sun, ripping apart a wandering star in a distant galaxy. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down here. Hold on. Did I go too far? I think I did. Okay, no, I didn't. Okay, so here's some more. NASA confirms potentially hazardous skyscraper-sized asteroid hurling towards Earth. Okay, now let's just go back because I want to show you what's in the top news right now. All right, UK and France almost exactly follow Italy and Spain's painful upward something. Coronavirus death toll passes 4,000. The president, well, I saw in this stuff here, the president said anywhere from 100,000 people to 500,000 people will die in America from this. Okay. Right, that's the one we just looked at. A man shoots his girlfriend over coronavirus. I mean, I'm seeing so many people saying that people have committed suicide over this. It's always somebody famous dying of it every day. Thousands of Tennessee doctors and locals, blah, blah, blah. Atlas, new discovered comet heading closer to Earth and could soon... Back up, enough. Sorry. Okay. Could soon be visible with naked eye. I said this in a tarot reading about a week ago. It's hurling closer to Earth. See, I don't feel like it's going to hit the Earth. I don't know about the sun, but I do know with it passing by us, it can still cause so much. So much. All these earthquakes that have been happening, I don't know if you've seen all these tornadoes, and I mean so much. The Antarctica is melting at the fastest rate ever. Climate change questions. The Earth is literally vibrating less because of coronavirus lockdowns. NASA misses the huge fireball lighting up the skies over Russia. Wow, healthy hand sanitizer queen 42 dies of coronavirus after her lungs filled with probably fluids. Yep, with fluids. So, this is crazy. So she's using hand sanitizer and still got it. I also heard that people are going to die even if they self-quarantined. Even if you stayed in your house and didn't go out, that you could still get it. That means it's airborne. And you're saying it's not airborne, but now you just contradicted yourself by saying what you said. A rare pink moon is going to light up the April sky. Now, a long time ago, I heard when I was looking into the planet X, Nibiru or something like that, right? The closer it gets, okay, you know that dust you get on your car and they say it's pollen? It's like that. But the closer it gets, the more pink it gets, the more red it gets. I think once it gets red, that means it's here. There is no escaping. Well, somebody lied about having it. Stupid. All right. Planet Earth report hunt for patient 0. Oh, that don't sound good. What's that? Planet Earth report hunt for patient 0 to Freeman Dyson. The eyes of alien life. Descriptive link. Blah, 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 blah. Alright, let's just keep going. Finds a black hole that could solve a mystery. Let's see what this says. NASA and ESA find cosmic killer. Black hole that could solve mystery. Let's just scroll down, see what else it gives you down here. Could Neptune and two temperature super Earths found orbiting nearby stars? Super Earths? What the hell is that? A cold Neptune and two potentially habitable worlds. Hold on. Back up. Two potentially habitable worlds are part of a cliche, or I can't say that, cache, I don't know how to say that, of 5 newly discovered exoplanets and 8 exoplanet candidates found orbiting nearby red dwarf stars, which are reported in the Astrophysical Journal supplement series by a team led by something blah 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 blah. The 2 potentially habitable planets are orbiting GJ180 and GJ229A, which are among the nearest stars to our sun, making them prime targets for observation by next-generation space land-based telescopes, and are both super-Earths with at least 7.5 and 7.9 times our planet's mass and orbital period of 106 to 122 days, respectively. The Neptune mass planet found orbiting GJ433 at a distance at which surface water is likely to be frozen is probably the first of its kind that is a realistic candidate for future direct imaging. GJ43 is the newest, wildest, and coldest Neptune-like planet ever detected. Man, they just keep finding shit. 100 space facts that will leave you speechless. Scientists question ancient Japanese something. It's just so much. So much. 5G apocalypse. Stop this insane experiment on society. Bam. See how everything's connecting with one another? All the communication companies deploy a 5G wireless network. 5G is an untested application of technology that we know is harmful. We know from science that wireless radiation can cause DNA damage. Wow. Let's go down here. Champion baseball coach dies at 30 years old. What in the world? Loses their life treating corona patients. Come on. Comet that may be the brightest in 20 years will soar across the sky. Scientists found coronavirus in sewage, and this could be early warning of emergence of COVID-19. Wow. Tennessee didn't alert families to nursing homes. Oh, here we go. 20 hours ago it was posted. I just want to say, last year they found a super volcano under the volcano. Okay, so what they thought was so big is now extra bigger than what they thought. Okay, if that goes and blows, the United States is done. Okay, for a fact, at least half of the United States is done. The other half is going to suffer slowly. Like, for real, listen. Oh, I don't know about listen, but watch. It's swarming. A 6.54 is huge.
Here we are in Berkeley, and this is the latest on the Yellowstone area quake swarm. It's Yellowstone because this is Yellowstone Lake. This is Yellowstone Lake. This is Yellowstone supervolcano, and it's about 190 miles west. But I call it the Yellowstone area. I venture to think that you understand why. It's so close. Okay, even though it's in Idaho, it's in the area basically above the, let's go to the area, you'll see.
Okay, so basically she's just talking about all the earthquakes it's having and all the aftershocks it's having. It hasn't stopped. What the hell? North Korea orders non-essential military personnel to starve from home. Starve from home? I hope I'm reading that wrong. For the foreseeable future in light of mounting concerns surrounded by the... Wow. Didn't I just say this? Freaking A. I just said in my last video, I literally only have a month of food. Like, after that, what are we supposed to do? This is what we're supposed to do. Starve. The fuck? Oh my god. I'm gonna stop here. You know what? I'm not. Let me just show you some more stuff that I got from the other day's news. Alright, I shared this stuff with you. Okay, here we go. Comet 5 times the size of Jupiter is setting up to light the skies up in April. Comet 5 times the size, okay. A rare pink moon. In April, I think it says the morning of the 8th or something like that. Astronomers spot ancient effects from a supermassive black hole jets. Sailors do not need to die. Our sailors, there's like 70 of them, plus 170. It's crazy. I think they're docking in Florida, but they won't let them out of the boat, out of the ship. Be ready for more earthquakes, hundreds of aftershocks, and I believe this is about the Yellowstone, okay? Yeah, on Idaho, by a large earthquake, a 6.5. This is saying astronomers find evidence for a cosmic homicide. What does that even mean? Okay, I showed you guys about that. Infinite visions were hiding in the first black hole images rings. What? That sounds so deep, literally. Pun intended. Okay, alright. Let me end this. I love you, babes, and I pray for everybody. Love yous.